Here's how to set up voicemail on your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Voicemail lets callers leave you a voice message when you can't answer the phone. Let's set it up step by step. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. Tap voicemail in the bottom right corner. If voicemail isn't set up yet, tap Set Up Now to begin. Create a voicemail password. This protects your voicemail messages. Re-enter it to confirm. Choose Default or Custom. If you select Custom, tap Record and record your voicemail greeting. Tap Stop, then Save. Once saved, your voicemail is active and ready to receive messages. If you don't see Set Up Now, or voicemail isn't working, restart your iPhone and make sure your carrier supports voicemail. Make sure cellular signal is strong and your SIM card is active. Voicemail won't work without carrier support. You can change your greeting or password anytime from the voicemail tab. And that's it. That's how you set up voicemail on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.